How to fix EcoFlow Delta 2 overload. So your first step would be to disconnect everything. So unplug all devices connected to your EcoFlow, turn off the AC output, disconnect all AC, USB, and DC devices. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Overload protection often clears after removing the devices that are causing excessive load. Acceptable running wattages is the only way you would get your EcoFlow to work. If it has popped out, press it in back after confirm that there are no faults. All right, and then the next step would be to simply update your firmware. So you can easily update your firmware by loading up the EcoFlow app and checking for firmware updates. Connect the Delta 2 to the EcoFlow app, navigate to your firmware settings, install any available updates, and then restart your unit. Some users have reported operational issues after firmware updates and power cycling, so please keep that in mind when updating. All right.